Sales insights don't have to wait. With Workload Automation and Microsoft Power BI, your dashboards refresh themselves, delivering smarter sales reporting across every channel. Business scenario for Microsoft Power BI plugin. A global retailer needs to keep sales dashboards updated across hundreds of stores and a large e-commerce platform. But doing it manually is time-consuming, error-prone, and often leaves managers without the insights they need each morning. Workload Automation schedules and runs workflows every morning, waits for upstream data to be validated, triggers the Power BI refresh, monitors every step, and even distributes dashboards automatically. Power BI then transforms that clean data into interactive dashboards, combining store and online sales to reveal real-time performance trends. Together, they ensure timely insights, accurate reporting, and centralized control, giving decision-makers the right information at the right time. In short, Workload Automation and Power BI turn complex, manual reporting into a seamless, automated process, helping the retailer act faster and smarter every day. Enhancing the workload automation experience with Microsoft Power BI. We invite you to visit our Automation Hub at www.yourautomationhub.io. Each plugin is accompanied by a detailed business scenario, helping you to understand its importance and how it can fit into your overall workload strategy. Automate more. Automate better. Thank you for watching.